Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about HP printer NV6000 setup. Follow the steps now. Here are the steps to set up your HP NV6000 printer. 1. Unpack your HP NV6000 printer and remove all the protective packaging materials. 2. Connect your HP NV6000 printer to a power source and turn it on. 3. Using the touch screen display on the printer, select your preferred language and country/region. 4. Open the ink cartridge access door and install the ink cartridges that came with your printer. 5. Load paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides to fit the paper size. 6. Follow the instructions on the touch screen display to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. 7. Download and install the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. 8. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your printer using the HP Smart app. And that's it. You should now be able to print from your HP NV6000 printer. Let me know if you have any other questions or concerns.